Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. So as the title says, today I will show you how you can drive your car without using the gas pedal and what will be the difference of doing this in a diesel versus a gasoline car. But before you do this, please keep in mind that it's not exactly healthy for your car, especially for your car's clutch. Why am I doing this? I don't know. I'm bored. So first, let's start with my beloved Ford, which is a diesel. For this experiment, you will need a long stretch of road, preferably without any ups and downs or turns, because as you move up in gears, the load on your engine increases, and you don't want to make it any more harder than it already is. I'm guessing that the first two gears are probably going to be easy to do, but afterwards it's going to need more and more clutch grinding. But anyways, let's give it a shot. Okay, so here we have a nice long stretch of road. Let's go. So, first gear, and brake. Oh. Easy. Second gear. Third gear. Ooh, the car is shaking. Okay. Fourth. Poor clutch. Okay, that's fourth. Now fifth. We're going about 35 kilometers an hour. That's around 800 RPMs. Okay, that's fifth gear. And now sixth. Ooh, the car is shaking a lot. Have the clutch released. And we're going 53, yeah, about 53 kilometers an hour. So here we are in my Nissan, which is a gasoline car. Has also 6 gears, a smaller engine, but the car is also a bit lighter. I'll be honest with you, I have done this experiment with my Ford before, which you can see right there, but I have never done it with my Nissan, so I have no idea how it's going to behave. But there's only one way to find out. Let's go. Okay, so here we are. Same piece of road, different car. Let's go. Okay. First gear, that was easy. Second gear, not too difficult too. That's third gear. This is easier than my Ford. Oh, fourth gear is a struggle. But there we are. Jesus. Fifth gear, doesn't like it. Okay, that's clutch released. Still struggling. Car is starting to shake a bit. Sixth gear. Starting to shake a lot. That's it. The clutch is released all the way. Huh. And we're going, what is it, 36, 37, 38 kilometers an hour. Interesting. Ford did 50, was it 53 kilometers an hour? I don't remember. Well, now we're going 42. But still, that's not even close. Huh, interesting. Okay, here we are back, and we did it with my Ford, which is a diesel, and then with my Nissan, which is a gasoline car. And the results are, well, I would say interesting. I actually thought that it's going to be a lot easier to do it in my diesel than for the gasoline car. but actually it was the opposite. Now, when I say easy, it wasn't that much of a struggle for the Nissan as it was for the Ford, because the Ford was shaking a lot more. It was trying a lot harder to move forward. But it wasn't the case for the Nissan. It's the first 4 gears were like, meh, whatever. But the Ford did go 10 kilometers an hour faster than the Nissan did at the end. So that will probably explain the struggle. Well, that's it for this experiment. I hope you guys liked it. However, I would not advise for you to do the same with your cars unless you want to accelerate your clutch wear. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, wash your hands, and see you next time.